coffee with the Mighty Miracleman time. So I heard a quote recently, and it said, I only see my goals. I don't believe in failure, because I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. Let's unpack that for a second. And failure, I don't believe in failure. I just believe in lessons. Those small voices it talks about, they can either make or break you. They can tell you to do great things, or they can tell you you're a worthless piece of. Anyway, live longer, feel better, and add life to your years.